So today I'm going to do a package reveal, and it's from Stacy from Myrick Marketing and Media, and it looks like it's definitely Halloween themed. So that is a really good way to, kind of set that up. And inside this package, there is pumpkin colored packing material, a very large handful of candy, which my kids will appreciate, and then these like little toys inside. So there's this kind of decorative item, a glow stick, which is so perfect for Halloween, a handful of plastic rubbery spiders, which spiders creep my kids out, but I actually like to rescue spiders in my house. This skull necklace, I got a notice about an upcoming Twitter chat with the author, and that is on Wednesday, October 17th at noon Eastern Standard Time, so it's 1 hour. Hashtag Brungles Chat, so please feel free to join them. I got this letter, and it's signed by a witch with a wart who is in the book. And then throughout the book, they gave me a couple of stickers, so I don't know if that was on purpose or by accident, and ended up within the book, or if they planted it there. And this is the book. It is called A Tangle of Brungles, and the author is Shobha Viswanath, illustrated by Culpeo Fox. And I don't know what a brungle is, and so that makes me want to learn more. So when we open the book, this is the title page. It has an owl, and you see the illustrations are creepy, so definitely Halloween-ish, but not scary, just kind of very atmospheric and fun. And here's the first page. A coven of witches with hair full of gnats lived on a hill with a clouder of cats. On a full moon night under a galaxy of stars, a pack of wolves howled from afar. So this is really great. So it's rhyming, and when they did the color difference all in capitals, then we realized like this is how they're identifying the different words for number of items. It's that they have all those different words depending on what the item is or what the category is. I think that's pretty cool. And then on the next page, here is the person who sent me the letter, a witch with a wart, and it continues to rhyme, and it's definitely a matchmaking. She wants to get married, but she has to cook up a potion in order to get this wickedly vile person that has a heart. And here we have more with the Parliament of Owls, Week of Buzzards. So this is really fun. So it's Halloween themed, and it still has these rhymes and this sort of vocabulary, and definitely lots of creepy, fun illustrations. And there is definitely a comedic element to this book, because the potion that they brew does not go accordingly. And so this is, I think, a really fun story for Halloween, especially for those who want something that rhyme, that covers all those different kinds of words. And I think once you get started, Coven of Witches, it feels like kids like really want to see the whole range of, the words that you wouldn't expect to describe, a cluster of, items or animals or like whatever it is. So anyway, this looks fun, and I hope you can make the Twitter chat, which again is October 17th at noon Eastern Standard Time, and you just need to type in Brungles Chat to find them.